me on the corner, swear you hit me like a...
Welcome to Cooking with Catherine. Today we've got our special guest Patrick, and we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies.
Hey, my name is Patrick, and I'm here to help Catherine make some wonderful cookies today using math. With all of our different measurements, percentages, fractions, there's a lot of math in baking.
We are going to be learning about percentages, fractions, and mathematical practice 6.
By mathematical practice 6, we mean attending to precision and making sure we have the right measurements to make sure our cookies turn out wonderfully delicious.
And here's all the ingredients we'll be using: sugar, flour, some milk. Don't forget the eggs. Our first step is to add flour. We need 1 2/3 cup of flour.
So we've got
1
cup measured out to precision.
precisely measured out. Oh no, we don't have a 1/3 cup. We have a half and a 1/4.
Oh no, what are we going to do? Well, Catherine, if you weren't aware, 1/4 a cup, if you do 2/4 a cup, you get a half a cup, which equals this. But if you do 2 1/2 cups, you get 2/3 cups because of unit conversion. Forget, we always need exact measurements to follow mathematical practice 6. We have 1, 2, 3. We got about a half leveled out here.
That solves the problem with our flour. Now moving on to the next ingredient, which is baking soda.
We need 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. We have a 1/4 teaspoon right here, so we watch Catherine measure out 1, 2, 3. So we need half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, half a teaspoon.
We get our half teaspoon.
Measuring out precisely.
Attend to precision. Since there's half a cup of butter in each stick and we need 3/4 a cup of butter, we're going to take 1 whole stick, then half of another stick. Because if we use 2 full sticks, then we have a full cup of butter. We're going to cut that in half, make this into 4ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut this 4th off and we've got 3/4 cup of butter.
Uh-oh, our bowl's getting a little too full. It's probably about 80% filled. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it over to a bigger bowl so we can fit in all the ingredients.
Catherine, how much would you say this bowl is filled now?
Oh, I'd say that's about 15%.
I'd agree with you.
Our next ingredient is brown sugar, and we need 3/4 cups of brown sugar.
Always remember to attend to precision, Catherine.
Okay, Patrick. 2. And 3.
1. And a half. Of course, we've got our best part. We've got our chocolate chips. And here we have white chocolate chips. And we need 2 cups. Remember, always attend to precision.
Although too many chocolate chips would be okay.
That was good. I'd say that's about precise.
Yeah.
We got our 2 cups. We totally forgot the vanilla. You know what we also forgot? 1 large egg. Of course, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Attend to precision. Now that our batter's all complete and our cookies are ready. Let's see, that looks pretty delicious for cookie batter. Look at all those red chocolate chips. Anyways, we're going to come over here and get about a spoonful. Put it on the cookie tray. Pop our cookies in the oven for 8 to 11 minutes. I prefer closer to like 11 minutes so I like my cookies crispy. What about you, Catherine?
I like mine moist, but that's okay, Patrick.
Oh no, Catherine!
Oh
I
no!
only saved 7 from the beasts. Our friends and family thought our cookies looked so good they just attacked us for them. They even left some of them a little bit ripped. How horrible. Now we only have 7 cookies left, Catherine.
Oh no, what are we gonna do?
Since we both wanted it split evenly, correct?
Yes.
And we have 7 cookies here.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Let's resort to our math. Let's do this by hand. If we're gonna split this, let's each take a cookie. And my cookie on this side.
Oh.
And one more cookie. Take another cookie.
Okay.
Those are your 2 cookies. And then take another cookie. So you have the 3rd cookie. And look, we have 1 cookie left. So what do you think we're gonna do with that cookie?
I think we should cut it in half, Patrick.
I think you're right. If we cut this cookie in half, then we'll both have 3.5 cookies, which is 50% of the cookies each.
Oh, wow.
And there's our final product. Catherine, I loved baking cookies with you today.
Oh, me too,
We
Patrick.
learned so much, like how mathematical practice 6, which of course is...
Attend to precision.
Yes, you always got to attend to precision, especially when cooking if we want to get the right consistency in cookies.
Each and every time.
Beautiful this cookie is. Remember, also with mathematical practice 6, we learned that fractions, percentages, and all of that can come in handy when cooking as well. So thank you, and we'll see you next time on Cooking Mathematically.